Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I'm doing a video for you guys about Hungry Harvest, which I don't think is available nationwide, but it is a sort of subscription type food program where you are sent fruits and vegetables that otherwise would have just gone to waste. So things that are too small to put in a grocery store, or funny shaped, or they were just over harvested, or things like that. And I have my very first box right here. You can also add one to the box, where they have certain things on the website that you can add in. So I got a medium-sized box. I don't know exactly what it's called, maybe the full harvest or something like that. And it's the mixed fruit and veggie. And I added in a loaf of bread, cilantro, and 6 limes. So you will see those things since I'm going to show you this, but they are not part of this actual box. Let's see. Yeah, I got the full harvest. It says here on the little sticker. So I'm going to show you this, and then since it's sort of related, I figured I'd show you guys everything I got at the farmer's market today as well. And yeah, let's get started. Cute cat shot. She's so funny. Kitty! Leave me alone, please. Oh, goodness. So I think I forgot to mention that you can sign up to get the box every week or every other week, and I think you can cancel whenever you want or skip whenever you want. And they also send you an email a few days beforehand to tell you everything you'll be getting in your box and why it ended up in the box. So I have my phone next to me so I can tell you why each thing actually ended up in my box. So let's go ahead and get it opened. You also get notified when the driver is actually out delivering, and you get another text when like it's actually been delivered. So if you're not home, you know at least it was there. If you're from around the parts I'm from, you know someone stole it. So yeah. So this is one of the things I added on. It's the Atwater's hand-shaped bread, 7-grain flax, and completely vegan ingredients. So excited to try that. It feels really dense. And then what else? I added on cilantro, because I just haven't had cilantro in a while. I wanted to have some of that. And I added on limes. So let me find them and pull them out of the box. 6 limes. My hands might be too small to grab all 6 of them at once. Nope. There we go. So I'm just going to set them to the side, and we can go through my box in order. So I am missing a nectarine. I gave my mom a nectarine. I have to actually have this delivered to her house because they don't deliver just yet to my zip code. But they have wait lists for pretty much any area around, at least the Maryland area, if it's not already being delivered to. And I'm missing a blood orange because Austin already ate it. But I got a pineapple, and the pineapples ended up in the box because too many were shipped to the original buyer. So I've got a pretty ripe smelling pineapple, so I'm really excited for that. I love pineapple. And then I got 3 heads of broccoli. Me and Austin love broccoli. I eat so much broccoli that it's like ridiculous. I could turn into a broccoli head. And the 3rd one. And the broccoli ended up in the box because it had to get picked since there were weather changes that could have ruined the entire field. So like that's a really random reason, right? But it's cool because now I have it. Got a head of butter lettuce. The butter lettuce ended up in my box because there was just a surplus. Can't eat that. And then I have some sweet potatoes. These ended up in my box because of the way they were harvested. Some of them have like little nicks on them and scratches. You can sort of see it on some of them. They're just little nicks and scratches, but because they have those imperfections, they can't be sold in the store. So they came in the box, and I'm very excited about that. Austin loves sweet potatoes. Then we have some snow peas, sugar snap peas. And these are in the box because they were like a second round pick and they got damaged a little bit by the wind. You can see little marks on them, but they don't look inedible whatsoever. They look great. So very excited to kind of throw them in a stir fry. Got some beet roots that were thrown in because of inconsistent sizes and shapes, which is like, I guess people in the grocery store must be super picky because a lot of these things don't look weird. And then nectarines. Why were these thrown in? I don't remember off the top of my head. Inconsistent sizing. So I guess these were just a little small to be put out in grocery shelves. And there should have been 4, but like I said, I gave one of them to my mom. And then I also have some blood oranges. There were 6 of these. Austin already ate one at my mom's house. And they're in the box because they were too small. And it's like they're perfectly fine, but they're just little. A few of them feel very ripe, so these are going to need to be eaten right away. And that's everything that came in my Hungry Harvest box, which I think is pretty good. Now, I had a coupon code. I have a $5 off coupon code for my first box. Caitlin, I think her last name is Shoemaker. She's a vegan recipe YouTuber here on YouTube. And she had a coupon code. I will link her video down below so you can see what she got in her box because she lives in a completely different area. She lives in the Miami area, I think. So you can see what she got in her box. And also you can go into her description box and use her code since I don't have one. I'm just a patron, just ordering things because I want them. And yeah, I think this is such a cool program. If it's in your area, you should definitely sign up. And if not, you should get on the wait list because I think it's absolutely great that you're getting food at a super discount and preventing waste, which is awesome. I think this box was $25, which is a lot of food. No, it's not a lot. I mean, it's not a lot for all of the food you get. You get a ton of food, so very excited about that. I'm going to clean this up real quick and then I'll come back and show you guys what I got at the farmer's market today. So now I am back with all of my farmer's market purchases. This, well, there was 2 pies, but this is a blueberry pie, a vegan blueberry pie that Austin wanted this morning. He also had the vegan chili pie from the Dangerously Delicious Pies booth at the farmer's market. They're a pie restaurant here in Baltimore. They've got a few different locations and they also serve mini pies at the farmer's market, which is really cool. So I'm going to stick this in the fridge real quick for him. Next thing we have in here are some mushrooms. So I'm going to leave them in the bag, but I'll show you what we got. We got in a little carton of, what do they call it, trumpet mushrooms. And then we also got a carton of shiitake mushrooms as well. They have the best mushroom vendor down at our farmer's market. No, this is not from the farmer's market. This is from my dad. He works kind of, what would you call it, like property management sort of. And there's a lot of older folks at the area he works. So a lot of times they just give him random stuff. So one lady had bought a ton of habanero peppers and then realized, wait, these are really hot. Gave them to my dad, and then there's just a couple, I guess jalapenos or serranos or something in here. So he gave me some of those. I am probably not going to keep the jalapenos. I think I might give them to the guy at work who makes his own hot sauce. But I'll keep the jalapenos and use them in like a pasta or something. I have a bag of baby spinach. I had reusable produce bags and I cannot for the life of me find them. I need to find them because I'm so annoyed that I have to keep using the plastic bags that some of the vendors there have. And then we got some asparagus. And then some spring onions. We got 3 cucumbers, but I gave one to my mom because we usually won't go through them fast enough for them to like not go bad. At least not 3 at a time, but 2 I can handle. And she loves cucumber. And we got some peppers. Got a 3-pack of those. And then the last item, once again, had to put in a bag because that's just how they weigh them out there. But we got some apples. Got 3 of these. I think they were called Nittany apples or something like that. They smell really good. And that is everything we got at the farmer's market today, which some good stuff. we already had a few things left over from a week ago, so we didn't have to get like a ton of stuff, but yeah, I'm excited. I really want to move our diets towards being almost completely produce based, because we do eat a good deal of pasta. Austin loves his vegan burgers and just like a lot of sauces and things, so the more like actual fruit and veg we can eat, the better, because I mean, I love bread. I've got a bread belly, whatever. I'm not even gonna deny it. I love it. I just do. But yeah, I love fruits and vegetables as well. So I'm gonna have to wrap up this video because it looks like the cat wants to murder me. I think she's hungry. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Hungry Harvest box, we signed up for the every 2 weeks option. So if you want to see what I get next couple weeks from now, I would love to know down below. If you want to see it, I'll make another video. So definitely let me know. And I will put a link to Hungry Harvest. I'll put a link to the video that has a coupon code. And yeah, if you're enjoying these kind of what I shop for kind of videos, because I know I just did a grocery haul as well from like 2 typical grocery stores. Actually, I filmed that a couple weeks ago and I just haven't been editing my videos because I've been very busy at work. So when I get home, I just want to like relax and turn off my brain. But I'm going to get better about that. Promise. Promise. So, yeah. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I post a video, then you can hit the bell button right next to that. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!